What's going on, guys? We're back on the shovel, continuing with the nacelle install. We are going to tackle the headlight today. So if you haven't seen us install this rare 60s Sportster headlight nacelle, I'll link a thing in the thing. It went pretty well. For headlights, let's keep going. We've got this, we picked up this headlight, and I think this is Shovelhead. I think they're out of Ohio, possibly Illinois. Anyway, it's ugly, and I hate it. We're gonna try and mount it, see what it does. Well, these brackets are junk. How the hell do you even get it to... What in the... Shit. Well, that's not gonna work. Junk. Second plan, new plan. Since I've already chopped apart this eyebrow, this factory eyebrow, we've destroyed it. So I think what we're going to try and do is, see, factory would be up at the top. And I think that I can modify it possibly to go underneath. And that might lower it enough. We have to see if it'll lower it enough. We got to remove a bunch of material back here, which I think is going to make it kind of weak and brittle, but I really don't have any other options at this point other than making a custom mount, which would require welding and other stuff that I just cannot do at this location. So we might be able to remove some material up at the top, but I don't think that's enough to drop it down. I don't think I can remove enough material off of the triple tree mounts here to drop this down enough. And I think, I don't know, I'm just guessing to this point, but this is already trash. So I'm gonna remove material from the backside here. I have to tap these holes all the way through. That's the other thing, which isn't gonna, tapping the holes all the way through isn't gonna hurt anything. But yeah, that's my only options. I do have a third headlight coming that's similar to this. So maybe we can make a custom mount if this doesn't work out. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So what I've done is, real quickly, I just wanted to mount this eyebrow up to where it would factory mount. This stem is on this headlight's pretty long, so I just loosened it up just to see how much I need to drop the headlight itself, if I can just mount it. And of course, just checking everything out, it hits the eyebrow here. All of this, basically all this section is hitting up inside here. So this is definitely something that I got caught off guard with. I didn't think it was going to be this challenging to mount a headlight in here, but definitely some modification is going to have to be going on, or a custom bracket's going to have to be made. That's pretty much, that's like my only option at this point, is modify this even further, modify these trees, or create some kind of custom bracket. So I guess this is what you get when you shoot from the hip.
So goodbye for us. You have to say it, baby. And us in Texas, you wanna try, baby. I know you can, I know your heart, and you will figure out you love me now. to set it, baby. And us in Texas, you wanna try, baby. I know you can, I know your heart, and you will figure out you love me now, 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 love you now. I gotta leave you, love me now, 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 love you now. Gotta leave. Figure out you love me now, 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 now.
All right, guys, so that's gonna do it. We're gonna wrap this one up. I'll show it to you real quick. It was a pain. It was a real pain here. We had to just keep cutting away at that old headlight eyebrow mount. We just kept hacking away at it until she fit, and luckily it fit. It dialed in real good. The headlight sits back in a little bit. Now on the Sportsters, I've noticed the pictures that I've seen, the headlight, it seems to me like the headlight sticks out way further than the way that this one's set up. I don't know, maybe that's just my perception, but it looks really good. Everything fit in really nice. The Sportster Nacelle fits on there really good. Everything ties in good. We got a few things left to do. This one's buttoned up. We gotta wire in our headlight again. Easy splice back together. We gotta throw our gas tanks on and put gas in or take her off the lift. She is done. We got our fender back on and our brace back on our forks. The headlight's all set up. We're gotta throw our last piece in there as well. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Thank you very much for all of the support, all of the love, all of the follows. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Again, you keep following along. I'm gonna keep doing this every day. So thank you. We'll see you on the next one, guys.